If the App Store search isn't working on your iPhone after an update, don't worry, I've got some solutions for you. This issue can occur due to temporary glitches, connectivity problems, or settings issues. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Restart the App Store. Open the app switcher, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, or double-click the home button. Swipe up on the App Store, close the App Store. After that, restart your iPhone and then reopen the App Store, launch the App Store again, and try searching. Solution 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Verify that your internet connection is stable. You can check your connectivity speed from your browser. If it's low, then switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Try toggling between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update, install available updates. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Clear App Store cache. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App Store, tap Personalize Recommendation, tap Clear App Usage Data. Just clear out the cache file. Solution 6. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords, cellular settings, and VPN configuration. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of App Store search for not working on your iPhone after an update. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.